Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with a beautiful and a simple dot mandala with calming colors. Let me start dotting in the center with pearl grey. Let me keep some blue dots now. Let me keep some tiny dots now. Let me keep some more blue color dots. I'll keep some tiny dots now. Let me keep some dots in aqua green. Let me keep some tiny dots now. I'll keep some more dots in aqua green now. Let me keep some tiny dots now. Let me keep some grey dots now. I'll keep some aqua green dots now. I'll work the dots in green. Let me keep some dots in blue. I'll work the dots in blue. Let me keep some dots in grey. I'll work the dots in grey. Let me keep some plumpy dots in grey. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Let me keep some plumpy dots in aqua green. I'll make these green dots into swipes now. I'll keep some dots in aqua green. I'll keep some tiny dots in grey now. I'll keep some blue dots now. I'll keep some tiny dots in grey. I'll keep some dots in grey now. I'll work the dots in aqua green now. I'll work the dots in blue now. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well and it is simple for all of you to follow and recreate. Thank you for watching this video.